welcome back to And Then There Was Style. In today's video, let's take a look at some home decor trends for 2024. Trend number 1, raw and natural elements. Since there is a significant shift towards decorating in a sustainable and an eco-friendly manner, expect to see a lot of usage of natural materials as we head into 2024. Especially in the form of light and raw looking wood. You're going to see wood, you're going to see green leafy type items, you're going to see stones, anything that you can find in nature to bring that feel of nature into your home. Now you can use this trend in a variety of home decor styles, everything from Japandi to even farmhouse, and of course one of my favorites, modern organic. Number 2, furniture with rounded edges. In the year 2024, the dominance of curves and arches and rounded edges in design is going to keep on going. So picture furnishings that are just adorned with rounded arms and backs, alongside items that feature arch tops such as cabinets and even beds. I've seen a lot of rounded beds here lately. This trend really underscores a contemporary approach to interior design where fluid lines and really gentle, pretty curves create this harmonious and inviting atmosphere. If you step into a room that features round curves, it just feels good. Number 3, warm minimalism. So I've stated before on this channel, I'm not the biggest fan of minimalism in terms of design style, but this warm minimalism trend is something I can definitely get behind. It takes a minimalist room and it really just warms it up. Some people say that a minimalist room or design style can be slightly cold, you know, just very sterile, almost very uninviting. But this definitely gives it a cozy infusion. It makes your room warm, it greets your guests comfortably, and it makes people really feel like they are at home. Number 4, gold accents. Now, as far as fixtures and metallic accents go, gold tones are still definitely having a moment. So look for a metal with either a matte or a flat finish. Not so much the gold super shiny, material now. Now you can use these, of course, for knobs, for drawer pulls, light fixtures, your bathroom or your kitchen faucet features, all of these that you can use gold tones for, but also think outside the box. There are gold metallic coffee tables out there, even bathtubs. You can go as bold or as subdued as you would like. Number 5, bold paints. So after years of neutrals, naturals, and just stark white rooms, big, bold colors are back. Now, when I say big, I mean big, bold colors. But it's not just for the room. Some people are doing accent walls, and some people are doing unexpected bold colors, like along the door trims or the railings of the stairs, just someplace that would have a pop of color that you wouldn't necessarily think to look for there. So however you choose to display it in your home, just know that it creates a really unique and visually striking aesthetic for your room. Next up, Luxe velvets. Expect to see a lot of Luxe fabrics this coming up year as well. Now, of course, velvet is going to have a big moment, and usually that's the first one we think of. But don't forget corduroy and other really thick, lush fabrics. Now, of course, you can upholster your headboard or a whole chair or a sofa with the fabric, but sometimes it's just really easier to use these materials as accent pieces, like a throw pillow or a throw blanket, just something really easy and simple. One of my favorites, dark tones. This is something that I am super excited about. Dark wood tones are definitely making a comeback, and I think it is high tide that they are making their triumphant return. Now, of course, we have seen lighter wood shades for a while now, especially the really light ones that everyone with neutral homes and gray homes tended to flock to. But I'm so happy that the dark woods are back. It creates just a really inviting space, a cozy space, especially when you pair it with really rich colors or jewel tones. There's just something so elegant about dark wood floors. Surprisingly, retro 70s comeback. Something that I think is super excited is that the 70s retro vibes are definitely going to be here in 2024. So think some of your warmer colors. You remember those harvest yellows, those avocado greens, mustard yellows, blush pink, like all of that is coming back, and I'm just really curious. I'm anticipating how people are going to implement those colors in their home. So if you are curious where to start, this is a home decor style that is just really perfect for mid-century style of furniture, or just a mid-century design style in general. So you're going to choose the furniture with sleek lines and really angled legs. We've talked about that in previous videos, how to identify mid-century style. Last but not least, statement pieces. The idea of adding a specific accent piece or an item to your room that full focus is going to be on can be really frightening. Some people are saying, I don't know what to pick, I don't know if I'm going to pick the right one, what do I do? So whether that item is an actual item, whether it's a piece of furniture, or it's just a piece of artwork, I mean, you can't go wrong because it's all about what you like. Now, it does not have to be expensive. As a matter of fact, some of the coolest things are items that you would find at the thrift store or an estate sale. But it is an instant way to add individuality to a room and to really create an easy conversation starter when your guests come over. So we've talked about a lot of upcoming 2024 home decor trends. Let me know, do you already have any of these trends in your home? Are you going to implement any? Let me know down in the comment section so we can continue the conversation. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, friends.